Good morning. I am Dr. Himanshu Sharma. Today I am going to explain unit number 1, Introduction to Machine Learning and General to Specific Ordering. We will start with the syllabus. The syllabus is strictly taken from Tom Michel, Introduction to Machine Learning. We will start with chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is Introduction, Well-Defined Learning Problems, Designing a Learning System, Issues in Machine Learning, Concept Learning Tasks. Then we have chapter number 2, Tom Michel, that is General to Specific Ordering of Hypotheses, Find as Algorithm, List then Eliminate Algorithm, and Candidate Elimination Algorithm. In the last, we will discuss inductive bias. So, friends, we will see what is machine learning and what are the general definitions for it. Machine learning is a process in which a computer learns to do a task by itself. The computer performs a task repeatedly until the best results are achieved. Definition number 2. In computer science, machine learning is defined as a technique in which computer programs automatically improve their performance depending upon previous experiences. So, what do you mean by computer learning, or what is learning, or what is program learning? So, a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P if its performance at task T as measured by P improves with experience capital E. So this can be well explained using a flow chart. So we will see a flow chart here. This flow chart starts with defining the problem objective. Then the input of machine learning is data. So data collection is the next step. Then data preparation. Next step is algorithm selection. Then we train the machine learning model. After training, we test or evaluate the model, and accordingly we adjust the model parameters. So this is called training, machine learning, or machine turning, uh, and this is a loop. Then when we get our classification completely, then we use that model in the real life of the system. Finally, we obtained a classified model. So classified model is the output of machine learning. The another easy flow chart is given here on next page, that is start, data acquisition, feature extraction, feature class, training examples, and machine algorithm. So this comes under step number 1. Then this is called machine learning. The step number 2, after machine learning, the next step in AI, that is artificial intelligence, is testing of the machine. So in machine testing, unknown data is applied and features are extracted. Then these features are applied to the trained algorithm. So the trained algorithm provides classified output data or predictions. So depending upon these classifications or predictions, necessary actions and decisions are taken. This is the step number 3, or results of the machine. So this is the complete life cycle or complete flow chart of machine learning. Machine learning is very small part of artificial intelligence, which includes machine learning, machine testing, and results output of the machine. So machine learning is for the machines, and after learning of the machines, the algorithms are tested, their efficiency is tested, and control actions are generated. The output of a machine after learning is in the form of functions or algorithms. So this is a difference between traditional programming structure and machine learning structure. In traditional programming, what we do, we provide input data to the algorithms and we get the output data. But now the scenario has been changed. Now we provide input data and previous data to the computer system and we get the trained models or programs. So this is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning approach. A computer thinks of a solution, algorithm, and a program that into a computer system. That is for the traditional programming. In machine learning approach, a programmer thinks of a math model which maps into the output. After building the model, programmer feeds this model with input plus expected output to train the model. Then model parameters are adjusted. But in traditional programming, a programmer thinks of a solution algorithm and a program that into to provide a computer system. So these are the block diagram which we already discussed. For example, we have taken example. We are having a square root finder, that is a program, and we provide data to it and we get the output data. So input data plus program is equal to output data. And for block diagram of machine learning, we have input data as well as previous output data. So the computer is having some algorithm and it provides the output program. So input data plus output data, previous output data is equal to programs. So what are the basic concepts and terminologies of machine learning? So first of all, we will discuss with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science which deals with intelligent machines which work like humans. So the father of AI was Mr. John McCarthy. Artificial intelligence means developing software programs which are based on human reasoning to solve the complex problem. AI uses machine learning for automatic problem solving. So this is the diagram of artificial intelligence. This is the environment and there is a computer which learns from the environment using the sensors and provides some actions using the relay. So an agent is a device. So in machine learning context, we come across a term that is known as agent. An agent is a device which learns and takes actions. For example, a robot, a mobile phone, a wireless node for sensing, WSN node. So this is the block diagram. Machine learning, another definition is when the programs learn from previous experiences, then this process is called machine learning. The field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed, that is given by author Samuel in 1959. Another definition of machine learning is ML is a branch of AI which deals with development of algorithm which allows the computers to learn. The objective of ML is to extract information from data automatically. It requires knowledge of basic computer programs and statistics. It is related to data mining also. So what is data set? A data set is a large data set, universal large data set which consists of all possible events of an application. Training data means a set of all events which are given to the machine to learn. Testing data means a data set of events which are applied to the machine after it is get trained. It tests the learning of the machine. So the universal data is divided into two parts, that is training data or testing data. For example, we can divide 100% data into 30% and 70%. Generally, training data is less and testing data is more. Thank you very much.